You hear that? It's music to my ears. Easy Hack here, and today we got a special announcement. We got the Anycubic i3 Mega printing at a phenomenal printer size, and I am just amazed at how well here. Words don't speak how proud I am of this. I'm gonna grab the other source here, the camera here, video capture device. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. And we'll grab the other source, the camera there, boom. I don't think it's gonna work, guys. Oh, yeah, there she is. Oh. I'm gonna bring it down here. My ugly muff is nothing great, so there it is, the Anycubic i3 Mega. She's doing a phenomenal job right now, running at 2.8 size filament. So happy. So we're just gonna fit to screen here. See what that looks like. There we go. So there she is, the Anycubic i3 Mega. I am very happy at that. I'll show you the very first print I did with a new profile. Now, if you're having problems with quality, the trick is go into your Cura after you've updated your firmware and everything, and don't go to the Anycubic Mega S profile. Start a custom FFF profile. Put your printer size in there. Put your print settings in there. 2.85 for your filament size. And it's going to print phenomenally better than with the Cura profile for the Any Mega. So use custom FFF. Put 210, 210, 205 for your printer size. If you put my hotend in there and upgraded your filament size, put 2.85, and it's going to print like it's at 1.75. I guarantee you. Easy hack out, and I'll show you a picture of this on our next video.